Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Pedretla. Let's do your reading for the month of October 2020 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for the sign of Scorpio. And you got Two of Pentacles, which was fallen down. There was another card along with it which was fallen down, but I won't take that. But anyways, you got Two of Pentacles. Two might be significant, and this particular reading I'm uploading at the end of the month, so basically it will resonate till November 15th. That is what I'm targeting, and this is the second time I'm recording the footage for you. The first time the audio had a problem, so I'm again recording for you, and hopefully everything is fine right now. But that's something I want to say, because you got two might be significant. Okay, you might have done multiple times, maybe you have to do multiple times in order to have your work manifested, because Pentacle is work, right? And there is a lot of imbalance also, because the card was fallen down, and Two of Pentacles is all about balance. So there is imbalance for sure in the month of October and mid-November. Okay, let's see. Star, yeah. You have to definitely do things two times every time. First time when you do, there'll be a few imperfections, and again you have to go back and redo it, because stars are aligned in such a way that you have to work hard. Okay, that is some karma you have to do in this month. Maybe you have to work hard, and universe is pushing you to work hard, maybe. Your work life also is becoming more difficult and challenging, and you have to stay focused. You have to not give up. Things go wrong, but you have to not give up. Three of Wands. You have to stay focused, know what is the destination, and just focus on that. Don't focus on the times when it goes wrong. Know that every time you try, there will be a few imperfections, and you have to move forward. Three might be significant because third card you got Three of Wands. Something to do with thread also is what I'm seeing for a few people. Ace of Cups, emotions are coming out, okay, in the month of October and mid-November. Few emotions are coming up. It might be related to animals or people in general. It is actually water, basically. Cups is water, but water is non-living, but still I'm getting a sense of living beings. You're attached with the emotions of living beings, not with water, because cup is water, and you might be thinking water is non-living, and you're right. But here it is suggesting you might be connecting with living things emotionally. Five of Swords. I'm feeling in between when you're working, okay? There'll be few distractions, there'll be few things that again that will try to influence your work situation. So because of that influence during the work, it will be very distracting for you, is what I'm seeing. Because you got two, again you got Star, which is major arcana. Again three you got. Again in between three comes four. You got Ace of Cups and then four. So every time it is incrementing, something is there. Okay, like this Star card in between, Ace of Cups in between. These are distractions for your work, to make your work. So you start working, in between again few distractions will be there. Again you lose focus. Again when you come back, you start working, but once everything is done, you'll notice that you have not done perfectly. Again you have to go back and redo it, and the cycle keeps repeating most of the time. And you're just worried. Four of Swords. You're just worried, why is this happening to me? But I feel like you're also in the process of learning. I saw Sun card in the bottom of the deck, just a little bit. So you might be in the process of learning, and over time you'll feel happy that this thing happened. Okay, because there are few things that you have to learn and few secrets will be uncovered also, so you'll be very happy. Oh, this was in reverse, I don't do reverse, but 7 of cups, and this is the most reversal card, being upright. 7 of swords, it looks reverse being an upright also, but you got reversal. So you may not have, I don't do reversals, but let me do this. I feel like there is no other option for you. You have to stick to this. You have to stick to this. And many times people have ego that they have control. We don't have control over things. That is just egoistic mindset. We have to just let it flow. Remember that we can't do anything, and hopefully our actions will dictate in a better way in the future. Okay, so we have to do what is right and best, and hopefully things will change. That is the only thing we can hope for. We can't control things, and having control mindset is definitely egoistic. So you have to go with the flow and stick to that flow, and there is no other option for you right now. When it comes to work, you have to definitely work hard. You might feel lazy. 3 of swords, before this card came out I felt laziness, and you got 3 of swords, and you're feeling very sad because of this. You are not feeling happy. It is very tiring in this month right now. Emotionally you're very emotional also. Due to that reason, you're connected to that emotional side in a negative way, and that is why you got 3 of swords. But I feel like this is something which has to happen. Star card, it is all destined for you. Sometimes people think work smart, don't work hard, but reality is, if you look at any person who did an incredible job, just look back, at least they'll be having 10 years of experience. So there's a book called Outliers. It says work 10,000 hours, and the person who practices any craft for 10,000 hours, he'll master that, so in some or the other way in that craft, and he can create wonderful things in that craft. So it is not only smart work, it is just a kind of theory and illusion also, you can say, thinking smart and acting smart. But nowadays of course that is another thing, but behind the smart work there is also hard work. Okay, and you have to understand that it's a process of learning. There'll be a lot of distractions is what I'm seeing in middle of the work, and you feel like you have to go to a better place where you can relax and stay focused. You might be thinking there is something around you which is making you distracted in the workplace, like distracting objects, you might assume, but it is not that. Having distracting objects nearby also improves to focus on what you're doing. So if you're reading a book, it's better you don't have you have to have some distractions, but make sure that you analyze those patterns of distraction. So it's a kind of art, and you have to also learn it. Only few people can do that. Creating few distractions objects around, you can be able to focus on that. So you might think there is a lot of distractions of nearby, but that is not truth. You're in focus. Okay, 3 of Wands. Just below that you got this 6 of Wands. You might be thinking you have to go far to find peace and balance, but it's better you stay there, because you have to go through the pain, you have to go through the process. It is the karma. Again, if you don't learn what you have to learn right now, again the cycle will keep on repeating. Okay, few cards want to come out. Yeah, 6 of Pentacles. Eventually you have to do it in the right way, is what I'm seeing. You have to do it in the right way. Even though if you travel, you might succeed, but the result of success was not that. It was just an again kind of a signal that you send to the brain that it is real, but subconsciously. But reality is you have to learn the lesson in the hard way for the learning process. Either ways if you go, you will succeed at the end of the day, but karma will be left alone. Okay. Also look for signs. 3 and 2 might be significant. You got Fool card. It reminds me of coronavirus prediction every time this card comes out, because many people will have confused when I said about Fool card. I told 2 to 3 months, it will end. And I didn't mean the virus will end. Okay, I told virus will end only if it depends on our actions, what we take. Only then the virus will end. What I actually mean with the Fool card in that prediction was, we will meet our partners, we will meet our friends together. And believe it or not, in India, just after 2 to 3 months, the lockdown was ended, and everyone was able to meet their friends, and the opportunity was there, and that was the Fool card, stepping out of the branch. So that is what Fool means. And again, right now many people are in a tough situation. I just want to say, even before this reading started and surprisingly Fool card came, I want to say this. I'll tell you in the end of the reading, because again I want to make a whole separate video for that. Anyways, you got World card. Again, travel. You might be traveling. You had to travel because Fool next to World card. Something which is destined to happen is going to happen. You are going to meet new person while traveling also. The person who sits next to you says hi if you don't say hi. So it's all destined. You will meet someone new for sure, even without doing anything. 4 of Swords. And coming to the Fool, many people are having a tough situation during this pandemic, and I've watched a lot of people in videos over YouTube. They are sharing their emotions in their videos, and many people are not able to do YouTube videos also properly, because in their mind something is running and they're not even comfortable making YouTube videos, even though they have a very good platform of subscribers. Still they are facing a lot of issues mentally, and everyone, not only YouTubers, in every field everyone is being upset right now. And at this moment we have to stay positive. And also, if you feel that anyone needs help, don't hesitate. Please don't hesitate. It might be a friend, it might be someone you really hate. It's okay. If you find that they need help, go and help them. Okay. Of course, distancing ourselves from energy vampires is definitely good. But at the same time, if you feel like anyone needs help, just go and give a helping hand. Okay. Because after all, we are all humans and we are living in this same world. Okay. And we have to be thankful at the same time. So yeah, as I said, there is a lot of things. Again, I just want to say, keep supporting for everyone, for all the YouTubers. It might be small YouTubers or big, massive audience who they have. I am very lucky to have a lot of people who support me, a lot of friends and a lot of family members there. So for other people, they'll do it alone, and if they suddenly lose subscribers just by not uploading videos, it definitely drains them out even more. And no one, if they don't have any passion, they wouldn't even create a YouTube channel. Okay. So they want to deliver something, they want to deliver some value, and also they have a dream of creating something. So keep supporting even small YouTubers, and stay subscribed. And also, I just want to give a free tarot reading if anyone wants to. I can only say that you can comment down below if you want a tarot reading, and let me know why do you want it. You don't have to say any question of tarot question, but you just say if you really want it. You just comment down below. I'll choose a lucky person. Hopefully that person really wants it. Maybe. I just want to say something. I could say it better, but I just said in a flow. Thank you guys for so much support. We have 1,000 subscribers finally. It has crossed, and in a safe spot right now. hopefully I'll get many more subscribers and many more audience. I'll definitely do a special video for 1000 subscribers. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.